Students, today we will learn first poem Dust of Snow, which is composed by Robert Frost. The poem teaches us that we should not be displeased because there is always an opportunity to change sad mood into happy mood. As we all know that nowadays we all have a tough time due to coronavirus. This poem teaches how small events change our mood and we live a happy life. Dust of Snow, composed by Robert Frost. Robert Frost is a realistic poet. He wrote about the real life experiences such as sorrow, happiness, etc. वास्तविक जीवन के अनुभवों पर आधारित रचनाएं रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट के द्वारा रची गई हैं। इस कविता के माध्यम से कवि हमें यह समझाना चाह रहे हैं कि दुनिया में ऐसी कोई चीज़ नहीं है जिसे हम अशुभ के तौर पर देख सकते हैं। बच्चों, आपने सुना होगा कि बिल्ली अगर रास्ता काटती है तो अशुभ होता है, कौवा इस दिशा में बोल रहा है तो अशुभ होता है। लेकिन इस पोएम के माध्यम से कवि हमें किस प्रकार से एक क्रो और हेमलॉक ट्री को संकेत के रूप में लेकर बताते हैं कि उनका जो आधा दिन बर्बाद हो गया था, किस प्रकार वो आधा दिन उनका खुशी खुशी बीता। Dust of Snow is a beautiful short poem. This poem tells us that even a simple movement has a large significance. The poet has mentioned that he is in depressive and sorrowful mood, so he used crow and hemlock tree as a symbol of sadness or gloom. Both these signify that the poet was not in a good mood. Here, the poet describes how a small incident changed his mood and saved some part of the day which he had already wasted. This poem is divided in two stanzas. In the first stanza, the poet has given how a crow changed his mood. What happened when a crow came and sat on a hemlock tree? The way a crow swooped down on me, the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. In this stanza, the poet has not made it clear whether he was walking through the forest or sitting under a hemlock tree. But whatever happened, when the poet was under a hemlock tree, a crow came and sat on that tree. It was the season of winter and there were snowflakes on the hemlock tree or branches. When the crow sat on that tree, some dust of snow fell on the poet. What happened after feeling those dust of snow is given in the second stanza. Here in the first stanza, the literary devices rhyme scheme is A B A B. Here, the first line rhymes with the third line, crow, snow, and second one is with fourth line, me, tree. And enjambment is also used here, as we know that when the same sentence continues to next sentence without comma or any other punctuation mark, that is called enjambment. Here in this sentence, there is no comma after one or two or three sentences. All these sentences are without any punctuation mark. That's why we can say that enjambment is used in this stanza. The second stanza is, has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. When the snowflakes fell on the poet, it changed poet's mood and his heart. He became happy. His sadness disappeared as he has wasted some part of his day. The another part of the day was saved by that small incident. In this stanza, he used the rhyme scheme CD and enjambment. Enjambment. This stanza is also without any comma or punctuation mark from first to fourth line. Thank you. Have a nice day.